Oh, Billy.
That's a truly oh shit moment, not oh Billy moment.
Oh my. Wow.
Give him a little southpaw, bro. Just call me freaking Rocky Balboa.
Wow.
I'm not reviving him. Screw him, bro. Freaking, if you want to play zombies, freaking play, bro. You know
Wow.
what I'm saying? No dolphin diving anymore. So sad. Screw it. I
Kaboom.
want the points.
Get on your feet.
Is my mom having a stroke? What is happening?
You just hear her go, oh, Billy!
Oh, Billy.
Oh, I got you, bro. I got you. I got you. Oh no! Gotta reload. Gotta reload. I got you. I got you. No! I let him go down. No, dude. I'm so sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. I'm truly
I'm
sorry.
helping. Relax.
Thanks, Doc.
Let him look. I'm so sorry, buddy. I can't believe I let you go down. He's back. He's back.
Yo.
He's back. Put on your mic, freaking shithead. My bad.
Wow.
My gritty host.
Wow.
He left.
That's what happens when you call people bad names, Evan.
Dude, take a joke. Let him look, bro. Freaking God. Imagine playing zombies and not having a mic.
Wow.
That's like freaking talking in front of a freaking group of 1,000 people without a mic. You gotta communicate, dog. You can't play zombies if you don't communicate. Communication is key. If you hear me, I want you to quit the game. I want you to purchase a mic. And I want you to, what am I saying? Who cares?
I don't know.
Who cares? This dude probably doesn't listen either. He probably muted me. He posted a video like 2 or 3 days ago. It was probably longer than that, but he posted a video and he freaking shattered his PS5 controller, and that's the first day he had it.
Oh.
He freaking lost in the what's it called? 2K park, and then he smashed it down, and then he chucked it at the wall as hard as he could. It just shattered. Like, bro, it kind of makes me like, dude, I cringe, bro. I want one so bad, and this dude's out here just chucking them at a wall 80 miles per hour. He's like, oh, these aren't as durable as the PS4 controllers. What the heck? Well, you freaking threw it at a wall, dude.
Yo, how do we have a fourth player again?
Because people can join in progress. No.
I did not know that.
I actually don't like that because I've joined a game where it was like already like around 20, and there's like absolutely nothing I can do. Someone else open this door. Freaking selfish asshole, open it. Thanks.
Calm down, calm down.
I was talking to this guy right here. Oh, now we're lagging. Nice.
This is a good shotgun.
Nice connection. Dude. Come on, Dr. Banker. Get better Wi-Fi, dude. Come on, Doc.
Tango fully expired.
Bro, if it keeps up, I'm not playing like this anymore. I hate playing this game.
Dude just took it out.
I heard rumors of the research.
Oh,
Alright.
here we go.
I'm gonna leave. I'm not playing like this lag, bro.
No.
I left. Just go to private.
I wonder what my fat percentage is. It's it!
Look at this, Alex. Look, look. Get your
What am I looking at?
little ass over here. Look at this. Look. I know a trick. A secret trick. Oh. Hello, buddy. I'm gonna show you this Easter egg today, guys, on how to get 100 free points in zombies a total of 6 times. This is how you do it, guys. You have to go over the machine, and you gotta lay down in front of it, and then you get 100 points. That has been your no-nonsense guide. It's been Mr. Rough Ruffles. I'm signing out. Bro. I would be such a great YouTuber. Oh, I am one.
Wow.
What a jokester.
Peanut butter instead.
I appreciate shotguns.
Hooters.
Yo, do you know what you're doing for dinner?
Who? Me?
No. Yes.
They're talking to your mom or something. I'm not sure yet. He said he was gonna grab some on the way home, but I'm not sure yet.
I was gonna say would you go to Culver's or something?
I'm down. I'll ask him. I went there last night, so I got a
Okay, it's good.
coffee mixer in the fridge. But I might be able to.
You should just take Scott. Take him on a road trip to Culver's.
What a great idea. Oh wait, it isn't a great idea.
Oh.
Dude, I don't know. He's just,
It's Friday.
he's just one of a kind, dude.
Animal. Why are you emotional? Why are you emotional? Ah, are you emotional? Yeah! It's lit!
Bro, you gotta stop saying that. It's starting my nerves.
Okay.
It's lit!
Alright.
Bro, that should be like the intro to his next song. Bro, Travis, you gotta stop saying that. You're saying it too much. Oh, sorry. It's lit! And then you start, oh, level 50! Let's freaking go. By the way, Alex, I don't have to freaking pause the game 1,000 times because I know where everything is when I do my Easter egg anymore. So you were just a little bit pissed off last time I kept pausing the video, and I
sad.
totally understand because it really puts your life at risk.
Yeah, I know. I had 2 bosses on me, and you're like, alright, let me look and see where this thing is.
Here, get your coot ass down.
What?
Oh my god, bro, I can't talk high
What, my
pitch anymore.
stamina?
Oh my god. Bro, why would you purchase a perk when I have to have you open doors? How selfish.
Oh,
You mean
Still have $1,000
selfish? You know when it happen. You be getting it now. You know that it. You know that turning the ashes. You know that you now.
Like Lazarus risen
The
from
kid
the
Leroy's a beast, bro. What a legend.
I
And he's
take no
freaking younger
pleasure
than
in
me, dude. He's already. He's freaking younger than us. He's already like a freaking
I
legend.
heard rumors of the research that transpired after my departure towards Harlem.
Can't believe I have to open all these doors.
I'm out of ammo entirely.
Yeah, I'm almost out.
We should get the power on.
I'll get this shotgun. I'll buy it after that, but I gotta get this shotgun first.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for the help.
Yep.
Just kidding.
Hey, Evan.
Yeah. Anyway.
Alright, I got it. Ooh, Billy.
Oh, Billy, bro. I was just thinking, I don't know like one person that has the name Billy. I was just thinking about that.
Billy Gregory.
We always say
He's on the
that.
cross country team.
I don't
with
know
me.
one person that's named Billy. It's kind of funny.
I know one.
So do you freaking go up to him and just go like, "Oh, Billy," and then grab his nutsack?
I have before.
Alright.
I don't ever do that, but I have called him Billy before.
Uh,
That might be a little bit gay.
you try to come open the door to power, dude. I would love if you came open the door.
Where is it?
You see how it says
Ooh,
power 34
yes.
meters away? Yeah.
You're welcome.
What a great person. You didn't turn on power, dude. What are you doing? Oh, just gotta finish the job, Alex.
What the hell is that? Doctor, it's not what I think it is.
I'm taking a lot of hits for no reason just because I'm being stupid.
I did not
What's
believe
new?
it true, but the actor
Wow.
found the means to breach
Wow.
dimension.
Alright, let's go to the Dark Ether. I kind of want to try to do the Easter egg for this map, the like freaking full-on thing, but like that's probably out of my skill range. If you know what I mean.
Dogs. We got dogs.
Oh, it was raining by the wolves. In, what's his name? NBA Youngboy freaking dropped another album last night.
It's trash.
I can't believe, bro. He's dropped like 4 or 5 albums this year, bro. What a legend, dude.
I think they were good.
So let me forge this. Come on now. Guys, let me forge this. Backup punch. Come on now. I grabbed the part, didn't I? Am I just stupid? I didn't grab the part? Oh no. What am I doing, fam? I didn't grab the part? Oh, oh my god. I forgot to grab the part. Ha! What is wrong with my brain, dude? How silly of me, dude.
Evan Silly.
How silly of me, bro. I can't believe I just did that. I'm so sorry, Alex. I fully apologize.
Okay.
Hope I can make it up to you.
Ooh, dead ones.
Strike team. Report.
Rough.
Just happened. It appears our strike team went on a little trip. Systems show they have now returned from the other
Alright.
side. I got a window.
It's too hectic to shoot my lights right now.
We need to regroup.
Oh my god. Insta kill. I can't get it. It's too risky, dude. I'll go back and get it. Maybe. Oh, armor's gone. That's awesome. Is the kill still over there? I don't know. Oh, it's gone. Yep, it's gone. Wonderful. Wonderful. Pack punches baby up. Let's get it. Oh, I shot that one? Oh. Oh, lights aren't showing up anymore. I gotta wait or something.
Blood money.
Blood money. Why is it called blood money? I don't get it.
I don't know.
Huh. Guess the world will never know. Bro, my lights gotta show up, dude. I'm starting to get mad. I'm getting mad. I'm trying to shoot
lights.
one. I went away. I want to do it. Come on up.
But when's the boss gonna
Frag
pull
the
up?
infected
I
hostile.
don't know, but I hope he pulls up at around 100, if at all.
I'll let you know
That'd
when
be
the
nice
next
as
one's
well.
available.
Bro, why are my lights showing up, dude? Come on, game. Fix your game, dude. I've already shot this one. Oh, I did shoot that one over there. Alright. Silly me, dude.
Double points. I'll get it in a
Pop
second.
that baby up. Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Alright, Alex, you're about to see something so incredible in about 20 seconds. It's gonna blow your socks off.
Dude, I'm not wearing socks.
It's gonna blow your...
You gonna blow off my feet, bro? What's wrong
It's
with you?
gonna blow your toes off. If that makes sense.
Wow.
Alright, sorry about that. That was so rude. I'm so sorry. Alright, one more, bro. Oh my god, I fell! Frick. Shit, we did.
Think I should pack a punch my blue M4? XM4?
Why not? Why not? But first off, take a look at this beauty right here. Take a look at this beauty, Alex. Look at this.
Oh.
You had 0 reaction last time, and it kind of was a really boring video. I don't know if you've watched it. You said like 2 words, and I said, Alex, you looking?
Yes,
He's
I
like,
know.
I'm looking, he didn't say anything else. And I said, I said, you can't kill him. He's like, well, I'm not trying to. That was it. I said that so funny. I was like, you can't kill him. He's like, I'm not trying to. Bro, I felt like I just did all that for nothing. Let's freaking, bro, let's freaking go, dude. Let's freaking jam into this, bro. Let's go. Let's get a better reaction this time, Alex. Freaking, come on, bro. Let's get hype. Yes, sir, bro. That's what I'd like to see out here on the wrong YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I haven't gotten... Dude, I've got like 1 ray gun. I get like nothing now from this stupid thing, bro. Give me a ray gun. No,
Get a
dude.
sniper.
I got a gold M16. No, that's kind of good.
You don't
This dude spawned on me! Yo, Alex, just please survive and please come get me. I can't die
Oh,
with
there's a
this gun.
boss.
I can't die with this gun. I should use Ether Shroud. What was I thinking? You gotta come get me, dude. Just crawl down here and get me quick. And then I'll pop my thing, and then we'll be safe. You can do it. You can do it. Almost. Oh. Oh, this is stretching it. I popped it. I popped it. Yes. Oh, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Let me out of here. Oh my god, I can't believe that worked. And you die. Oh no, dude. You sacrificed yourself. What a legend.
Yeah.
Bro, I feel so bad now. Oh, Megatron's here. Dope, dude. Take that C4, you freaking asshole.
Watch your language. Hey,
What's up?
Chinese for dinner?
Sure.
Who you playing?
Playing with Alex.
Stop cussing, Alex.
2-0.
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah. He just came in and said, watch your language. Oh, shoot.
Curious. When damaged, it's sensitive.
Frick. Jesus, bro. It's a sprinter, man. This dude runs track. Oh my god.
Well, that kind of sucked. I
Give him
lost
a
all my
gold
stuff.
medal. Bro, I actually could not get you. Not if you had like a ether shot or something, bro. I feel so
No, I did
bad, bro.
not.
I'm so sorry, dude.
Whatever.
You just freaking sacrificed yourself for me, dude.
Did.
What a guy, dude. Oh, what a guy.
Yes, please.
Now I'm set, dude. Got another gold gun. I got a shotgun. Not another, but. Jesus, man! Oh my god! I almost just went down an insta kill. I got trapped in a corner. My gun was gonna reload, bro. What the frick? Ether shot's leveled up, I think. It's last longer now. To get it, dude. I'm gonna grab this. Monkeys. Tough luck, dude. Or not monkey, what am I thinking? Why did I say monkey? Frick am I thinking, bro?
Oh my god, am I gonna die?
I hope not.
another exfil window.
Ooh, let's go to the box right here.
Got a crystal. Let's go.
Oh wow, the same gun that I was using. Ooh, Prig 6. Give me.
Almost enough for a tier upgrade. I need that. Fucking need it, dude.
Oh Jesus, there's a dog.
I'm gonna fire sale for you.
No, I didn't mean to freaking drop my gun. God darn it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die!
Get me trapped.
I just got trapped! Oh my god. I went up there to try to hit the fire cell and you were up there too training. Oh my god. That's a rip, dude. You wanna play some multiplayer? I don't play as good when I play with people.